Hello everyone, let us unfold the truth behind the Sunday, which had been declared as weekly holiday after 7 years long struggle of the workers. Unfortunately, we have made this Sunday as funny day, but based on exact fact and objectives, we should stop the indignity of the Sunday. And why not any other day? Is there any aspect from mythology, politics, anarchy, diplomacy? What it is exactly? Let us see. The name of the Sunday, the day of the sun, is derived from Hellenistic astrology, where 7 planets known in English as Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Venus, Mercury, the Moon. During the 1st and 2nd century, the week of 7 days was introduced into Rome from Egypt, and the Roman names of the planets were given to each successive day. But question is, why Sunday is weekly off? In Indian context, according to Indian Vedic science, each day is dedicated to the major planets. That is total 9 planets, out of which Sunday is dedicated for the sun, and the sun considered to be the harbinger of the life. By that time, there was no weekly holiday in India. Now let us listen one story of a dramatic protest of heroic stragglers by which British government compelled to declare Sunday as holiday. When India was under British rule, the mill workers in India had to work hard for all 7 days of every week. They did not get any holiday or any kind of leave to get rest, whereas the British workers or officials would go to church every Sunday. That's why they enjoyed the every Sunday as weekly off day. At that point, Mr. Narayan Meghji Lokant, who was the leader of the mill workers, proposed to declare a weekly holiday in front of Britishers. Proposal submitted in front of Britishers. He said, quote unquote, after working hard for 6 days, the workers should get a day to serve their country and society. The Sunday is the day of the Hindu deity Khandoba. Hence, Sunday should be declared as a holiday. But British officials rejected the proposal. But against this rejection, Mr. Lokant protested firmly, and after 7 years long struggle, 10th of June 1890, British government compelled to declare Sunday as holiday. And another point of view from the view of Christianity, that is, the Bible has a different vision, that the Lord Almighty took rest on Sunday after creating the earth. So, respected viewers, being Indian, we should not forget the heroic and tremendous contribution of Sir Lokant and his teammates. For them, today we are getting Sunday as weekly off day. Additionally, let us recall the basic objective of Sunday is to serve to society and our country collectively, which will make definitely our earth pretty. In our opinion, Sunday is the day to take care of our earth weekly, as our earth is one floating dot on the universe. That's why let us live together, followed by universal brotherhood and internationalism. And you are requested to plant at least one tree just for you. We would like to inform you that in next video we are going to unfold the truth of Goroksha, which is behind the curtain of superstition. For getting the notifications of upcoming videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. To encourage us, please like our video. And if you have any opinion, then please comment.